In today's video, I'll teach you how to fix Komoot login problem. So if you're trying to fix Komoot login problem on your device, first of all, what you have to do is check the internet connection. Sometimes you might not be able to log into your account because of poor network, so make sure you're connected to a stable internet connection. After that, try logging into your account. After you do that, your problem should be solved. But still, if you're not being able to log into your account, it might be because of the incorrect credentials. So in that case, what you have to do is make sure you've entered the correct credentials. If you think the password you've entered is incorrect, what you can do is simply tap on this option, forgot your password. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to reset your password, enter your email address and tap on the option reset password. Now you'll be able to reset the password for yourself. Simply look for the reset email. After you do that, you'll be able to reset the password. Go ahead, reset the password and enter the password in the login interface. After you do that, your problem should be solved. But if your problem is still not solved, what you can do is simply try updating the app. For that, launch open Play Store on your device. You can see over here, Play Store has been opened. Tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now what you have to do is search for Komoot app. You'll be able to see the results over here. Find the application for Komoot and tap on it. Now in this interface, if you find the option for update, tap on it, wait for a while and your application will be updated. Now your problem should be solved. But still, if your problem is not solved, what you can do is simply try clearing the cache. For that, launch open app library of your device, find the application for Komoot and long press on it. Now tap on this option app info that you can see on the screen. Now in the app info interface, what you have to do is find the option for storage and cache and tap on it. Now over here, you'll be able to find two options, clear storage, clear cache. Tap on the option clear cache and the cache of your device will be cleared. After you do that, your problem should be solved and you should be able to log into your account. But still, if you're not being able to log into your account, simply try uninstalling the app and install it again. After that, your problem will surely be solved. Now what you can do is simply open the Komoot application, enter your email address and password. After you enter the credentials, tap on this option login. Now you'll be logged in to your account. So that is how you fix Komoot login problem. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.